Transform your ideas into stunning visuals. In this video, we'll explore how to generate images from text and bring them to life with AI-powered video creation. Watch as simple prompts turn into breathtaking scenes in just a few clicks. Open Deepseek and enter this prompt. It will generate 4 scenes for you. After creating the scenes, enter the next prompt. Include both prompts in the description. Now copy scene 1, open ideogram.ai and select text to image. Adjust the settings as needed. Download the image. Now repeat these steps for the remaining scenes. First, rename all images as Scene 1, Scene 2, and so on. Open Hilo.ai, select an image, and generate a video. Repeat the same steps for the remaining images. All images have now been converted into videos. Open Deepseek and input the prompt. Copy the lyrics. Open Suno.ai, paste the lyrics, and let it compose the song. Once the composition is complete, download it. If you want to make your video more engaging, download motion sound effects from YouTube, such as eating or cutting sounds. Now open your video editing tool. In my case, I'm using the CapCut desktop version. Import all videos, the song, and sound effects. I use CapCut's built-in sound effects and transitions. If there's a small watermark on the video, slightly zoom in to hide it. And here's the final result.
Whispers of the evening tide, golden stars begin to glide. Breathe the silence slow.
That's it. Your AI-generated video is now complete. I hope you found this process easy and exciting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI content. All prompts and links is in description. See you in the next video.